This video aims to briefly introduce you to basic matrix operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and transpose of matrix. At the end of the video, we will share an Excel file with you. You can download it onto your system and perform the matrix operations offline with steps provided. Let us begin with matrix addition or subtraction. The rule is straightforward. The number of rows and columns must be the same for matrices to be added or subtracted. For example, you can add a 2 by 2 matrix with another 2 by 2 matrix, but you cannot add a 2 by 2 matrix with a 3 by 3 matrix. Let us demonstrate with an example. To add the matrices, simply add their corresponding entries in each matrix. Here is the result for matrix A plus matrix B. Do the same for matrix subtraction. Instead of addition, subtract the corresponding values. Moving on to matrix multiplication. Let us check the matrix multiplication rule. The rule states that the number of columns of the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. For example, you can multiply a 3 by 3 matrix with a 3 by 1 matrix, but you cannot multiply a 3 by 3 matrix with a 2 by 3 matrix. Let us solve an example to demonstrate how to perform matrix multiplication. First, we need to check the multiplication rule, and it is satisfied. Follow the animations to understand the procedure behind multiplying these two matrices. Here is the result of matrix C multiplied by matrix D. To transpose a matrix, you need to switch its rows to columns. See the two simultaneous examples on the screen for the transpose of matrices C and D to understand how we change rows into columns. Here is the Microsoft Excel file we discussed at the start of the video. We will provide a link in the description for you to download this file. After downloading the file, you can perform your matrix operations offline. The first thing to do is to enable the macros, otherwise, it may create problems when working in the file. Let us show you how this works. For multiplication, click on any number you want to multiply. For example, click on 11 to multiply a 2 by 2 matrix with a 2 by 3 matrix. It will take you to the required sheet. First, enter the required names of matrices. Now, input the values into the matrices. It will show the required results with steps of calculations. Let us try another example. Click on Go to Main Page and click on 21. Now, repeat the same previous steps to get your desired results. Similarly, for addition, click on the desired entry. Input the values and perform the calculations. Also, for transpose, click on the desired entry, input the values, and perform the calculations. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. We will soon add similar Microsoft Excel files for other matrix operations. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video.